Rooster say, Chloe? Can you say cock-a-doodle-doo? No, she wants to see the owl. What's an owl say? Hoo-hoo. What does a rooster say? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Once she sees the owl, it's done. The spider didn't answer. She had fallen asleep. It had been a very, very busy day.
Mama.
More? What's this guy say?
Cock-a-doodle.
Good job. Cock-a-doodle-doo. What's the duck say? Quack, 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 quack. What? Quack, quack, quack.
Yes.
5 little ducks went out to play over hills and far away. Mama duck called, quack, quack, quack. Can you do it? Quack, quack, quack. Right. And 4 little ducks came waddling back. 4 little ducks went out to play. I don't know what you want me to do. What's Piggy say? Very good. What does a sheep say? Ba, ba, right. What's the cow say?
Moo, moo.
Moo, moo, right. What's the horsey say? Neigh, right. All done.
Back to the rooster.
What does a rooster say? Very good. What does an owl say? What does a piggy say? Yeah. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Okay, let's stop.